up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Rubble from Paw Patrol for beginners. So first we're going to get started with our hat. So we're going to come up in the middle and draw in a curved line. We're going to come down again, stepping further in and replicating that. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line up. Now from here, moving across, we're going to curve this line further out towards the side of our page. On both sides, we're going to curve this line in on a diagonal, and we're going to end that at the same height. And then now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle of our page, leaving a nice big gap. Again, from that corner, we're going to curve this line up towards the top, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to connect that together with a small curved line. On the middle portion here, we're going to curve this line down. And then moving over towards the side, let's curve this line back up. We're going to draw the symbol in the middle, so we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Let's bring this line down on both sides. From here now we're going to bring this line out. And then we're going to curve this line in towards the middle, connecting that in the center. Let's step further in now and replicate that. So again, curving that in, bringing that line down on both sides. We're going to curve this line across. And then we're going to arch this line back in towards the middle. Now in the center for the paw print, we're going to draw in an oval on a slight diagonal. And then we'll move across on both sides and replicate that. Now from here in the center, curving this line around and then down. And then we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. Now let's frame in the shape of the head. So we're going to come down on both sides, arching this line in towards the bottom. Now on the left-hand side, curving this line in for the cheek. We'll do the same on the right. And we're going to leave quite a big gap in the middle for the chin. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, just blending that line in together on the bottom. Now let's move up and draw in our nose. So we're going to start over on the left-hand side and we're going to curve this line down. In the center of this, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then moving underneath, we're going to close this off with an arch line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down. And then for the mouth, we're going to connect this by curving this line over and across. In both corners, we're going to curve this line down. Now for the teeth, we're going to draw in a small triangle on both sides. Let's draw in our eyes now. So coming over on the bottom, let's curve this line across. And then starting on the outside corner, bringing this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. Stepping in, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now in the top left-hand corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. And now moving in towards the middle, let's draw in a circle for the pupil of the eye. Moving back in towards the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on both sides. Now stepping in, we're going to curve this line up towards our hat. And then where our cheek is in the corner, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. Let's draw on the eyebrows now, both above eyes. So we're going to, on a slight diagonal, curve this line down. And then from that corner, arch that back up and down on the side. Lastly, let's draw in our ears. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the side of our page. From here in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And now on the bottom, let's arch this line over towards the side of our head. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across. And then again, moving up, bringing that further over one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Rubble from Paw Patrol for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.